guys, this week has been a bit intense. It's been mostly me just kind of refinishing and resurfacing drums out in the shop. Do some poly work, a bit of dye work. You know, I took a shell and I made it round.
And that's how you get it round.
That was fun. And then Easter happened, so that was great. And there was cookies, and we're on the way out to, you know, eat the family stuff for Easter. I came across a truck that had a really super cool,
that's so cool,
you know, go-kart hanging off the back of it, and that really kind of made me excited. Not that that's relevant to anything whatsoever, but Monday, which is right now, that was today, we went out and we picked up a fairly epic commission, and I've started doing little videos to help sell those parts. So that's fun. Random guitars and whatnot. There's an auto harp. Just bizarre stuff. Yeah, so exciting things are afoot, I guess. Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure 3 is going to be a thing. They've been talking about it apparently for like a decade, but they're starting to release pictures and stuff, so that's exciting.
Chris and Ed came to us, what, in 2007?
2000, yeah.
And with the idea of doing it, and they pitched us an idea, and it sounded great, and they've been really collaborative with us, which is really cool.
Oh, I left my glasses on this whole time. Oh well, they're pretty. I like them. What do you guys think of my new glasses? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, so I gotta cut this all together over there. And then feed the cats before they go insane and Butchie eats Boingo. Yeah, I don't know, that's all. So, like always, if you like what I'm doing, share and like this video, add a comment, let me know all these fun things. And in the meantime, have a killer week, and I'll see you guys next time.